Hello, scholars, and welcome to your second home week. Just wanted to review the assignments with you for your home week and make sure you understood everything that was going on. So, I'm going to start off here, and for our punctuation focus this week, it's going to be on the comma. Last time it was on the apostrophe. So, from the comma, we're going to take notes on day one. You've got a couple of practice activities. More practice activities. Remember, these do not count as a grade. It's just for you to get used to everything. And then your quiz on day 4. Now, remember, there are tons of online practice activities. So, go just type in, free comma practice. And you'll just come up with millions of little things that you can do to make sure that you're getting commas before you take the quiz on Thursday. For your grammar, this week we have the parts of the sentence. Last week we did parts of speech, just identifying the identity of the word, if it's a noun, if it's a verb, what is it? This week we're talking about the role that nouns and pronouns play in the sentence. So is it being a subject? Is it being the object of the preposition, etc.? So you take those notes. We're going to do the same 3 sentences. So this is DGP 1.2, so that's a day 2 of DGP 1. And then you've got DGPs 2 and 3, all day 2. So that's all parts of the sentence. All right, and then you have your parts of sentence quiz on Thursday. Remember, none of these practices count towards your average, so don't stress out about them too much. Just learn what you can, ask any questions when you don't understand something so that you're ready for the quiz on this last day. So that's your grammar and punctuation for this week. Also on Monday, we need you to take this EdReady diagnostic. You'll only get a completion grade, but give it your best so that it doesn't set you too low. But EdReady is a program we'll be using down the road for some of your home week assignments. And then finally, let's see, got all that. And then finally, at the end of this 2-week run, your first artifact is due. So you may want to take some time this week to be working on that artifact right there. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope it all goes well.